Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Harrington's class. But Mr. Irish is doing the video. Oh, yeah, okay. So, let's pick up what we did yesterday, solving equations with variables on both sides. Here's the new stuff. All right, let's practice it. So, it is December 7th, 2021. Here is example 1. Write it down. 4x equals x plus 18. Okay. Whoop! We always draw a line like that. Okay, so we draw a line because we do not combine like terms across the equal sign. 4x plus x, no. What do we do? Step 1, get all variables on one side. Doesn't matter whether it's right or left of the equal sign. Next step, get all numeros or numbers on one side of equal sign. There you go. So get all variables first. So I'm looking here, so it really doesn't matter which one, but I know that there's a number here. And so if I get the variable here, I just have the number here, so I'm good. So I get step 1 and 2 done with one step. And so this x is actually a 1x, because 1 times anything is itself. 1 times 10 is 10, 1 times x is x, right? So opposite of plus 1x is minus 1x. 4x minus 1x is 3x. 1x minus 1x is 0. And so what am I left with here? 18. There we go. Okay, so now I have the variables on one side and I have the numbers on the other, so I'm good to go. So opposite of multiplication is division, right? Or you can say, okay, 3 times what is 18? That would be, 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Got it. Yeah. So, how do you know you're right? What if I plugged it back in? You could always check if you want. 4 times x, which you got is 6, right? Write that down. And this is x plus 18, which would be 6 plus 18. So 4 times 6 is 24. 6 plus 18 is also 24. Yeah, that's correct. Good. So you can always plug back in order to check your answer. You can always do that as a third step. Check it. Yeah. Okay. So next one. 5x equals 2x plus 48. Ooh. Okay. Actually, no. Let's change this one. 2x plus 21. There we go. All right, what are we going to do? We got to get all the variables on one side of the equal sign. Okay. Whoop! So it looks like this 2x has got to go. Then I get the numbers on one side, the variables on the other. So minus 2x. There we go. 5x minus 2x is 3x. And now I have 21 like that. 21. So now 3 times x, so the x is over here, and I got the numbers over here. 3 times what is 21? That would be 7. Yeah, there we go. Okay, next. Oh my goodness, something a little bit tougher now. Okay, so now I got 2 terms on one side and 2 terms on the other. Okay, here's the equal sign. 7x plus 10 equals 3x plus 120. Ooh, okay. So what am I going to do? Well, I need all the variables on one side. So generally I like the variables on the left. So I can do whatever I want. Let's subtract 3x from both sides. So these are like terms. I'm not going to put the 3x here. I'll put the 3x here because these are like terms with the x's, right? So 7x minus 3x is, 4x. Now we got the 10 here, and we got the 120 here because this equals 0. 3x minus 3x is 0. Okay. What do I do now? Okay, well, I need to subtract 10, right? Because I need the numbers on one side. So the variable's here, so let's get the numbers over here. 4x equals 110. Okay, divide by 4 on both sides. Yeah. So I think we can grab a calculator for this one since this is in the times tables. So I got 110 divided by 4 is 27.5. There we go, 27.5, 27.5. So x equals 27.5. 27.5. Because 5/10 is a half. 5 out of 10 is a half. Right? Yeah. All right, try this one on your own now. Number 4 for the day. 6x plus 16 equals 2x plus 28. Ready, set, go. Let's see if you got it. So let's get the x's on one side. Let's subtract 2x here. Hopefully you did that first. If you subtracted 6x, you should get the same answer. 6x minus 2x is 4x plus 16. 2x minus 2x is 0, and I just have, 28 here. Okay. Opposite adding 16 is subtracting 16. You got a balanced equation. Whenever you do the one side, you got to do the other. So this is 0. I just have 4x left. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1, 12. 28 minus 16 is 12. 4 times what is 12? Yeah, 3. Hopefully you got 3. Nice job. Cool. All right, good work, everybody. Nice job. Work on the practice. Keep it going.